The all-electric Mustang Mach-E, keyless entry and e-latch. The keypad is near the driver's window and illuminates when you touch it. You can use the keypad to lock or unlock the doors and tailgate, program and erase user codes, arm and disarm the anti-theft alarm. There are limitations though. Make sure your remote control is within 1 meter of the front door handles and the tailgate. The system could not function if the remote control remains stationary for about a minute, the vehicle battery has no charge, the remote control battery has no charge, there is interference causing issues with the remote control frequencies, the remote control is too close to metal objects or electronic devices, for example keys or a smartphone. Master Access Code. The Master Access Code is a factory set 7-digit entry code. You can operate the keypad with the Master Access Code at any time. The Master Access Code is on the owner's wallet card in the glove box and is available from an authorized dealer. Creating personal access codes. To create your own personal access code, enter the factory set code, press 1, 2 on the keypad within 5 seconds, enter your personal 7-digit code, press 1, 2 on the keypad to save personal code 1. The doors lock, then unlock to confirm that programming was successful. To program additional personal access codes, repeat steps 1 to 3, and then for step 4, press 3-4 to save personal code 2, 5-6 to save code 3, 7-8 to save code 4, and 9-0 to save code 5. Do not use a code that uses 7 of the same number digits. Do not use 7 numbers in sequential order, and the factory set code works even if you have set your own personal code. Clearing all personal access codes. Enter the factory set 7-digit code. Press and release 1, 2 on the keypad within 5 seconds. Press and hold 1, 2 for a few seconds. This must be done within 5 seconds of completing the previous step. All personal codes erase and only the factory set 7-digit code works. Unlocking the doors. With your passive key within 1 meter of your vehicle, gently press the touchpad on the door window trim to unlock and open the door. The intelligent access system requires a brief delay to authenticate your authorized device before the e-latch will gently open the door. Locking the doors. With your remote control within 1 meter of your vehicle, touch the lock icon located on the door window trim to lock the door. The keyless system entry requires a brief delay to authenticate your device. Keyless entry settings. Switching keyless entry on and off. Switch the vehicle on. Access the vehicle drawer using the vehicle icon on the touchscreen. Press settings, press vehicle, press locks, press and hold the OK button until the system reset confirmation appears.